driving home with my mom, and we were just at the store, and no one has any toilet paper. There's very limited bread. Lots of good things are missing from the stores. People are going crazy. I mean, like, people are buying like 500 rolls of toilet paper. Like, who needs that much toilet paper? So yeah, it's nuts. In all seriousness though, it is super important to wash hands and all of that stuff during flu season anyway. So yeah, and I'm also really glad that I live on a farm out in the country, because then if we do get quarantined, then I have lots of space and there's lots of animals here to keep us company, and I get to hang out with my dogs. So that's awesome. Here are our goats. It's kind of windy outside, so they're inside for today.